people! Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a huge makeup revolution haul for you. Like, it's even got a goodie bag in there. If you are new here, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and enter my recent giveaway, link down below. If you're wondering why I'm extra glam today, it's actually because I got ready to go on a night out. Did probably the best eye makeup look I've ever done of my life. And Storm Dennis came and I can't go out because there's a storm. Thunder and lightning, it's raining really heavy. So, I'll show you some of the stuff that I picked up. The first thing that I got is their Conceal and Fix Pore Perfecting Primer. This is their Velvet Priming Balm. And I wanted to get this because I've heard so much good stuff about the e.l.f. one. And I thought if I end up picking up the e.l.f. one, then I can do like a video comparing the two. So that's what I thought I'm going to do. So this is what it looks like. Oh God, I wasn't expecting that to happen. So my phone's going off as well. It comes with a little spatula, which I wasn't expecting to like fly out at me there. And yeah, I'm just excited to see what it's like. Oh, it's really smooth to like dig this thingy in. And one of the reasons that I wanted to pick this up, it didn't smell bad. One of the reasons that I wanted to pick this up is because Emma Fleming uses the e.l.f. one, I believe. And I'm sure she applies hers with a sponge, you know. Which I just think like this texture is going to be like really interesting with a sponge. Like I personally wouldn't think about making that work. But yeah, I love Emma Fleming. I'll leave her YouTube link down below if you want to check her out. So they actually had like a little deal. I think it was like 3 for £15 on this new range that they've brought out. One of them has arrived smashed. So I'm going to have to contact them and like let them know, like, I think it's the highlight. Yeah, it's the highlight that is arrived smashed. I'll show you this one. But this is the Heartbreakers collection from I Heart Revolution. And I really wanted to get this to, I've also got another one actually. I've got a concealer too. I really wanted to get this to do like a video like testing it out and stuff. So give this video a thumbs up if you want me to do that and leave a little comment down below because I'll be more than happy to do that for you. This is what it looks like. Super cute. But I don't know if you can see. Well, yeah, you can definitely see. Mine is smashed quite significantly as well. So yeah, I'm going to give them a message and send them a picture of it. It was one of the things that wasn't in the bubble wrap, like this and the other cardboard box one wasn't in the bubble wrap. So they must have like assumed like, oh, that'll be fine, but unfortunately it wasn't. The other one that I got is a shimmering blusher. This is, I don't even know what it's technically, I think it's Strong. And the highlighter was in the shade Spirited. I just love the packaging. I think it is a bit bulky, but it's cute, isn't it? And that's what the Heartbreakers one looks like. And I thought these two mixed together will be a beautiful blusher shade. And then to go with that, because I think I'm going to do a full video testing out like the blusher, the highlighter, the concealer, which I'll show you in a minute, and then also this little eyeshadow set as well. This is the I Heart Revolution Heartbreakers Shadow Palette. I got this in like the purple one. Just so I thought it kind of makes me branch out a little bit and try some different things. So this is just what it looks like now that it's focused. Oh, it matches my little Valentine's Day nails as well. So if you do want me to still do like a video testing all this out, please like leave a comment down below saying like please do like the Makeup Revolution like testing video or whatever you want to comment, just so I know what I'm doing and I can organise myself. On to the next roll. So one of the main reasons that I wanted to put on a like order in at Makeup Revolution's website, because I do have a Superdrug order of Makeup Revolution stuff as well that'll be coming very soon, because that also has a gift bag that I got for free in that one as well. So love and life. But the main reason that I wanted to get it was for this new concealer that came out. This is the Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Long Wear Concealer. It's meant to be crease proof. It's meant to have infinite coverage as well, and it's meant to have 16-hour wear. So give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let me know. Do you want me to do like a full video just testing this concealer and seeing what it's like? Because I'd be more than happy to. I got this shade C0.05. I wasn't sure if it was going to, it's quite yellow. I wasn't sure if it was going to be too light. That's what it looks like. But it actually doesn't look too bad. It feels like a lot thicker. Not like really thick. Oh, it smells It smells like a MAC foundation. It smells really nice. But yeah, I'll be excited to see what that's like. And if I do try it out, I'll do it like with my little concealer trick that I always try, where you let your concealer dry for a little bit before you like blend it in, and it gives you a bit of extra coverage. So I'll do, if you want me to do a video, I'll do like half with like a normal, just like blending it straight in, and half of like letting it dry a little bit and then blending it in, to see if that actually helps to improve the quality of it. And the other thing that I thought I would pick up as well is that Heartbreakers concealer. I don't know why I thought I said that wrong when I hadn't. This has got a cute little love heart on the end of it, which I think is really, really sweet. I got this in the shade Oat, which is quite weird for them to have like names, but I guess it's like our Heart Revolution and not typical one. But look, I'll show you it. It's like a little love heart as well. Really, really, really sweet. A lot thinner. So you can see that, a lot thinner in consistency compared to the other one, but it still looks like it's got really, really, really good coverage as well. I think this is going to be like a really nice one for brightening as well. And I wonder what they'll be like mixed together, because I like that kind of stuff. So the best thing to last, this is the gift bag. You got it when you spend, I want to say £30. That's when you qualified for the free gift bag. So I normally find that like Makeup Revolution just kind of give you all the stuff that they can't sell when it comes to the gift bag. So we shall see if this one is any different. When you open it, it looks like this. Ooh. Okay, I'm excited already. I've already had a little sneaky peek. So, the first thing is a lipstick, and these lipsticks were kind of like brought out, I'm going to have to put my phone aside, I'm sorry. So these lipsticks were kind of brought out as like a dupe, or like a kind of alternative version and packaging to the Charlotte Tilbury ones, but obviously a lot cheaper. And this is I think it's just the Revolution lipstick in the shade Date. So it looks like it's going to be this bright pink colour. So I'm actually going to put that into my giveaway pile for you guys, because like I'm never ever going to wear bright pink lipstick, and if I did, I've got loads anyway, so I'm going to keep that one for you guys. And the next one is a full lip kit. This is the Retro Luxe Metallic Lip Kit, the lip contour kit. So it has like the liquid lipstick and pencil in a really, really, really nice shade as well. Because obviously normally you do get like the not as good shades when it comes to stuff like this, when it's like freebies. So this is what it looks like, and obviously comes with the lip liner as well. So I'm going to put this again in a giveaway for you guys, because I'm not a metallic lipstick kind of gal, and I just think that like user benefit more, because I've got like way too many lipsticks, so I'd rather give it to one of you guys. The next, oh my god. The next is a highlighter. This is their strobe highlighter in the shade Flash, which just looks like this. I don't know if I've ever tried this before, but I feel like Amber said it's really, really, really good. Remember we went to like the Makeup Revolution party many, many, many years ago, like many moons ago, in London. I'm sure this was like used to be her holy grail. I don't remember if it was this one or MUA, or if it was both. But I think I'm going to keep this one for myself and try it out. So, we have two palettes. The first one, it looks like a brand, like a influencer collab. Can't speak my words out. This is the Maxi... Oh, I'm going to try and pronounce that. But I'll show you anyway. This is what it looks like. Oh, I've just seen the back. 9 eyeshadows, a contour, a blush, and a highlight. Oh my god, this is actually like such a good thing to get in the free bag. I am shooketh. I can't get the sellotape off. So let's see what this looks like on the inside. Ooh, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. So this is what it looks like, if you can see. So it has Pure Glow blush, Love's Hue blusher, I'll say that's a highlight, a bronzer, and then obviously 9 shades as well, and they're quite nice colours. So you've got like a nice transition colour, you've got like a bone brow highlight kind of colour, a cool toned transition colour, a black, a darker one, a purple glitter, a pink glitter, an orange, a goldy glitter. I'm really, really happy with that. I'm excited to see what it performs like. Give a little comment down below if you want to do like a video trying that bad boy out. Or if you want to just do a full video, like a full face of Makeup Revolution, because I'll do that for you. And the next one is a sparkly palette, and I remember this being out at Christmas time one year. I don't know if it was out this year, but I think it was a couple of years ago. This is their Life on the Dance Floor After Party eyeshadow palette. I love that the glitter's smooth. It's just like a small thing, but you know. I can't open it. Why can't I open it? Has it got sellotape? It's got sellotape! Oh, for Jesus Christ. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. Ooh! Ooh! I wasn't expecting that at all. That's what it looks like. And I wasn't expecting it. That looks really beautiful, that one. Ooh, it is a really nice sparkling black. So a lot of these shades are like shimmers. They actually are really smooth. They don't look like there's much to them in the actual like eyeshadow palette itself, but when you swatch them, like, they are beautiful. And that's like one swatch, like no primer, nothing. I mean, there might be a little bit of concealer from where I blended that in earlier, but wow, because I would never ever pick that up. I would have opened that and been like, nah, looks dull and boring. But actually, it does not. Do not judge a book by its cover. That's what I've learned today. And obviously it has all of the shade names on that as well. So that's everything that I bought from Makeup Revolution and what was in my gift bag. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe. I do upload on Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays, so I'll hopefully see you then, 6 o'clock UK time. Thank you so much for watching. I love you very much. Bye. Oh, my fingers are mucky. I can't turn the camera off. Let's do it with this hand.